Hi guys, this is going to be a tutorial on how to do the last layer for the Megaminx fast. First of all, if you want to do it really fast, you have to learn all the algorithms from qtext.com. They are the best and they are nice for finger tricking. I don't know how many there are, but I'm sure there are, but more than 50 at least. So for the edge orientation, there are four possible cases. Yeah. First of all, this one. 3 edges are correct. You hold the cube that one edge is in at the front and one at the back right, and you do front right up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Just like on the 3x3, this pattern here, front right up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Then here, this case, 3 edges are solved, but the 2 scrambled pieces are next to each other. You have to hold one in the front, one at the right, and you do front, up inverted, right inverted, front inverted. Just like here. Then there is a situation where the star is already solved, and there is a situation where no star piece, where one star piece is solved. It has to point towards you, and you have to do right, back left, up, back left inverted, up, back right inverted, U2 inverted, right inverted. If you don't want to learn this algorithm, you can hold it so that it's pointing to the left and do front, up, right, up inverted, right inverted, front inverted, and then do the case you've already learned, front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. That's it for the edge orientation. Now we go to the corner orientation. There are a lot of possible cases. There are 2 corners, 3 corners, 4 and 5. For 2 corners, there is this case. It's the same as this one on the 3x3. And you can use the same algorithm if you use the same as me. It's R2 inverted, down inverted, right, up, right inverted, down, right, up inverted, right. And this solves the edge pieces. Then there is the case where these star piece and these corner pieces are like this. And most of the people would say it's not this case. I'm sorry, I have to do it like this. Most of the people would think it's this case on the 3x3, but it's not. So you have to learn a new algorithm for it. You hold it that the cubies, the scrambled cubies, point to the right of you and to the left of you, and you do right, up, right inverted, up, right, right inverted. So it's a bit modified soon, I think. And then we go on to this case. This is the same one as this one on the 3x3, and you do the whole Megaminx left, up, right inverted, down, right, up inverted, the whole left-sided Megaminx up, so left inverted, front inverted. So then there should be okay, so there's only one algorithm left for the two corners. This one. You have to hold it so that the solved corner is in between the scrambled corners, pointing to the right of you, and you do right inverted, front, right, back, right inverted, front inverted, right, back, right. Now for the three corner cycles, not three corner cycles, but three corner pieces scrambled. This case here, it's anti-zoom. You have to hold the one scrambled corner so that it points to your right, and do right, up, right inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted. Then, this case here, the zoom, you hold it that the scrambled corner pieces points towards you, and do right, up, right inverted, up, right, up inverted, right inverted. If you mirror all this, you have that this case here, the scrambled corner has to point to the left side, and you do left inverted, left, up, left inverted, up, left. And then for this case, the scrambled corner has to point towards you, and you do left inverted, up, inverted, left inverted, up, left. That's the normal cases as on the 3x3, but just like zoom and anti-zoom. That's all for 2 and 3 corner cases. Now we move on to four scrambled corners. I actually have no idea how I can get to these cases, so I'm just doing zoom all over the cube to get to one of these. There it is. This equals this. You have to do right, up, R2 inverted, up inverted, R2, up inverted, R2 inverted, up, right. The same algorithm, or the mirrored one for the mirrored case. So you can do this algorithm holding it like this and like this. So it shouldn't be a problem. And if you need the algorithms, I'm going to post a link to the Qtext website in the description. So, there are a lot of 4 scrambled corner types, but I'm going to show you what you can do if you don't want to learn all these algorithms. You have to hold the cube that the solved corner piece is at the left front up position, and do right, up, right inverted, up, right, up inverted, right inverted. Then you get to one of the 2 corners cases, or 3 corner cases sometimes, and you can do the ones you learned. If 5 corners are scrambled, it's a bit more difficult, because you don't know where to start. For me, I wouldn't know where to start. That's why I just hold the cube in any position and do a zoom. Then I get to a 4 or a 3 corner case, do another zoom, and then do the algorithm we learned. Now, this is the edge and corner orientation. Now for the edge permutation. In this case, this piece has to move there, this piece has to move there, and this one has to go there. So it's a 3 edge cycle. You have to do R2, up inverted, R2 inverted, up inverted, R2, up inverted, R2 inverted. And this solves all the edge pieces. Now, there is another case where this has to go there, this has to go there, and this has to go there. You could do the algorithm I just did twice, or do a T permutation. Right, up, right inverted, right inverted front, R2, up inverted, right inverted, right up, right inverted, front inverted. Solves the edge pieces too. Now, there is a situation where 3 edges are swapped, but they are adjacent to each other. If you know the 2 J permutations, if they are like this, right, up, right inverted, front inverted, right, up, right inverted, right inverted, front, R2, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, you can use it here too. If and for the T perm you have to, I'm sorry that I didn't mention it, you have to put the scrambled piece that is not adjacent to any other scrambled piece to your right. For the J permutation now, if the pieces are like this, so this piece has to go there, this piece has to go there, this there, and this there, you have to do the left-handed T permutation, J permutation. And it's solved. And for this case, if this piece has to go there, this has to go there, and this has to go there, you do the right-handed J permutation. And it's solved. There is one special case where 4 edges are scrambled. It looks like this. This piece has to go there, and this piece has to go there. So these 2 are swapping, and these 2 are swapping. You can hold the cube in any position, and you do left, right, up, left inverted, up, right inverted, left, up inverted, right, up, left inverted, up, right inverted. And then just fix the top layer with U or UYs. These are all the possible cases for edge permutation. Now we go to the corner permutation cases. There are a few too. For instance, if you have a 5 corner cycle and you don't want to learn the algorithm, you do right, you see where the piece needs to go, this one needs to go there, so you do right inverted, down inverted, right, that the piece is here, put the place where it needs to go with an up inverted here, and then you do right inverted, down, right. Now you have another scrambled piece down there. You bring the slot where it needs to be on top of it, and you do right inverted, down inverted, right to get it up. And you do this to all of the pieces, and then it will be solved. If you have a 4-corner cycle, it's the X or the E perm. For the X perm, I'm sorry, this is the E permutation. These two have to be swapped, and these two have to be swapped. There's an algorithm on qtext.com or .org, I don't know. Or you can do it with the algorithm you learned. For the X permutation, you have to do the same thing. And now for 3-corner cycles. You can either do an algorithm for it, like this, or you can use the same technique as I mentioned before, right inverted, down inverted, right, bring the slot on top of where it needs to be, or where the corner needs to be, right inverted, down, right, bring the piece where it needs to go, or the slot where it needs to go on top, right inverted, down inverted, right. And now to set the last one in, it is right inverted, down, right. These are all the cases that I know, or I don't know too many cases, but I think we should know how to do the last layer now. So I'm giving you an example now of my last layer. If I do it, once I do it a bit slowly, a bit slower than normally, and then for the second time I go full speed. So, last layer, I see this case, front, up, right, up inverted, right inverted, front inverted. 5 corners are swapped, or not correctly oriented, so I do right, up, right inverted, up, right, up inverted, right inverted. Two corners need to be oriented. I take the 3x3 OLL algorithm. Now I see this piece has to move there, this there, and this there, which is the left-handed J permutation. Now a 5-corner cycle. And it's solved. And again. Now I'm going to do the last layer at full speed. You have to practice all these algorithms a lot to get them good, or to make them work, because it's really easy to make wrong turns on the Megaminx. And I wish you good luck learning the algorithms, and I hope you had fun watching the tutorial. Bye bye.